Hello guys, welcome to this new video, and in this video I am going to show you how you can earn money by just selling your photographs that you are clicking every day. Okay, so guys, what is the basic aspect? This video is for those who are professional photographers and for those as well who do not have any knowledge of photography, and they can resell the existing image and make money online. And it's the best website, guys. It's genuine website where you can earn a good amount of money. You can see that companies like Nike, Microsoft, and much more, you can see that they are earning a good, paying you for their brands. Let us suppose, guys, Microsoft has launched a product or anything else. So if he wants to get an image, okay, then that website comes in this Microsoft will come in this website, and if you are lucky, you gonna get a chance that Microsoft will pay you for that. Okay, you do not need to do anything. It's just a passive income, guys. It's completely free. Not even a single penny is spent from your pocket, not even a single penny. Okay, you require no skill, and for skilled as well, guys, for skilled as well, this website is very good. Okay, so just join this, and please guys, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel, and please like this video so that there is a motivation to give you a best content to earn online. Okay guys, so let's begin. So guys, the description of this website I have posted in my description box. You can check out. Okay, so how we can able to earn it? You can see that guys, you just click on this sell image. Okay, you can see the top right corner. So in this sell image, you can see that in order to sell your images, okay, you can choose any image, guys, any image, just your food that you make every day. Okay, just click it, and with your phone, no investment on any equipment is required, guys, no equipment. Okay, do not have to spend professional. If you are a professional photographer, you might have these equipments. If you do not have that equipment, okay, just I'll show you how you can do it with your phone. And even if you are not having any good phone which will click best photographer, I have a bonus for you guys. Okay, just stay right there. So there are thousands of customers use this. Okay, use this platforms. The most photos will do your job. Okay, just you need to click it, and just it will thousands of customers will review your photos, and you are getting paid for that. Okay, so let's start this thing, guys. And for commercial license as well, you can choose any images. Okay, so just I just click on this sign up button. Just click on the sign up button, and just click in this photographer or illustrator. Okay, and I just type in my name. Okay, oh, username I should give. Okay, my email ID and the password. Just click on I agree to the terms and just create your account. Okay, and you are good to go, guys. Okay, you can see, guys, I have not earning any money right now because it's my first. So you can how we can start. You can see that, guys, you can see the upload and edit. Okay, invite friends and sales. Okay guys, one more thing I need to tell you, that in this website, you just come on this edit section. Okay, just click on this edit section. Okay, and you can see, guys, my name and last name is already ready. Okay, and you do not need to modify these kind of things. Okay, just come up in the profile section, and you have to upload your photograph on this. Okay, just upload it, and just click your description, small description that you need to put. Okay, I am a professional photographer. Okay, so you can just type these things and you are good in this thing, how to write your own description. Okay, I just gave you a demo for this. Okay, you can create your own description and just upload your photograph and just do it, because guys, I don't pay attention to these kind of things, because your content is the most important thing rather than your profile and all. Okay, it's just for royalty. Okay, royal, if you are good in selling, then it is your royalty, that if someone buys and if he wants to know about that person, then it comes into play. Otherwise, no, do not. Okay, just don't feel bogged down that sir, I don't have a good profile, so do I get the orders? Don't worry, you will get the orders. The orders are based upon the contents. Okay, now I'll show you how you can upload your photographs. Okay, so I just click on my account. Okay, and you can see that how we can sell images. You can see that earn easy upload. Okay, just click on this thing, just give your name. Okay, and just update it. And so guys, what I need to do right now, I just click on this browse button. Okay, you can see you just click on this browse button and you need to browse your images where you have put. Okay, so I just search some of the images which I can upload. I have this image, you can see guys. Okay, and it is doing some processing. Okay, you can see that it is doing the processing in order to upload your image on the website. Okay, it just takes some time, and eventually you can see that you are ready to publish your image on this. It just take few seconds guys. You can see that guys, I just click on this photograph, and it's that simple guys, that simple. You just need to click on this, and you can see guys, you have seen certain copyright issues. All the copyright issues are with you. Okay, so I just click on this English and just provide some tags like child. Okay, and find some more tags, that funny kids, you can see. Okay, so that it will ultimately channelize your optimization, SEO, which you say. Okay, image title small kid. Okay, so I just click small kid, which is hiding something. Hiding something. Okay, so you can give any description. Okay, as per your. So I just click on this commercial. Okay guys, I just click on this commercial, and nudity content, no, it is not. Okay, and number of people, automatic. Okay, I have read all the required properties. Just click on this thing and just click publish. Okay, yippee, you are done. Either upload some more images. So you can see guys, I just browse the site, and you can see guys, people are uploading lots and lots of photographs on this website, and you can do on your own as well. Okay, I just gave you a description guys, how you can upload your own photo. Okay, just follow these steps and you can also do it. Okay, just click on this easy upload and you are ready to go guys. Okay, I just show you how you can do it. Now for those people guys who don't know who do not have any experience of photography. Okay, for those I just gave that you just type Unsplash. Okay, it's a good website guys, where you can resell your products of the existing photographs, and you can also sell these images because they are absolutely free. And if you are clicking on some photograph, and you can see that it is eventually for commercial use. Okay, you can use it for commercial as well as for there is no copyright issue that is happening over this website, so you can sell it. Okay, and eventually you can see, guys, these things are absolutely free. Okay, I just tell you one more technique from where you can earn a good amount. So in the Google, you just type kids photograph. Okay, kids photograph, and just click on this images. And one more thing I just need to tell you, guys, just click on this tools button, and you can see this usage rights. Okay, just click on this thing, and you can see that label for reuse. Just click on this thing so that no copyright issues are there. So they are used for reuse. Okay, you can use it on your own. These are certain images which you can upload and earn a good amount of money. Okay guys, it's absolutely free, guys. You can take millions of photographs over the Google. Okay, so that you can earn a good amount of money by just sitting at home. You do not need to do any haywire thing, no skill required, nothing. You just resell it because the ones who have clicked these photographs, they are also saying that you can use it. Okay, so they are absolutely genuine website, and there is no fake thing. Okay, so guys, this is it for this section. Okay, all the websites links I have just provided in this video description. And if you have any doubts, just write down in the comment section. And just guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I just have a motivation to give you these kind of details. Okay, how you can invest, how you can earn money online by just sitting at home, worldwide, how you can earn genuine website with nothing fake. Okay, so I just wanna recommend you guys, just write down in comment section that if you want to do some investments, if you want to ask some investment strategies, that where I can spend my money so that I can earn a good amount, how I can earn $1 million if I just invest sequentially on various platforms. I will give you the thing how you can invest a good amount of money. Just write down in comment section and just hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you guys.